guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to show you guys how I do my mayo, mustard, and egg leave-in. No, it's not a leave-in conditioner. It is a deep conditioner. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that today. So just keep watching. Hey you guys, I am here. These are my big ugly twists. You guys, these twists have been in my hair for about like 2 weeks, and this mixture is really runny because I put a lot of vinegar, 4 eggs, and mayo in there. Just 1 spoon of mayo and mustard, 2 spoons of mustard. And you guys, I was not prepared for this video. And did you see those dirty dishes? But it's okay though. We gonna keep moving right along like we didn't even see it. It was just a real quick flash. It was like boom, you seen it? Now you don't. But you guys, my hair was in these twists for about 2 or 3 weeks. I have been leaving my hair up in twists since I've took out my mini braids because I am not trying to do anything with my hair. I have a 5-month-old baby, and leaving them in twists have been just the easiest thing. So what I'm going to do is rinse out my leave-in conditioner that I had in my hair. I believe it was the Tracy Ellis Ross leave-in conditioner, which my hair was completely soft. So I'm just going to get my hair really soaking wet and drenched before I put the mustard, egg, and mayo mask in my hair. Once again, guys, I did put some apple cider vinegar in here. That's why it looks more runny, just to help lift and have my hair's pH balance. It helps control the pH balance, so just to help lift the dirt and stuff off my scalp and also penetrate my low porosity hair. So I am getting my hair really drenched and soaking wet, and I'm going to start with this hair mask at the ends of my hair and just let my hair soak that up for probably 2 minutes or so. I know the video is going fast, but I let my ends soak up all that love, and then I pour it on my scalp. Now the next clip, I accidentally put the sink faucet into the frame, so you guys, sorry about that, but I am literally pouring this mask all over my scalp and giving myself a nice scalp massage, making sure that I squeeze this mask into my twist. And this is the next day. My son was crying and I had to feed him, and then I just fell asleep with him. And I would advise you not to fall asleep with this mask in your hair because the egg cooks in your hair. So if you don't want that problem, as you can see, I'm showing you guys right now, look at that cooked egg. But it's okay though, you know, it's breakfast time and I could probably eat some breakfast, but I'm not gonna eat no eggs. I'm playing. Guys, it comes right out. Make sure you wash your hair on cold water, very cold water, ice cold water. So when I do this mask, I normally leave my hair with the plastic bag on there for maybe like 10 to 20 minutes so it can get penetrated through my low porosity hair, like I said. But I slept with it, and that's why the eggs cooked in my hair. But they were really easy to get out. I just had to take each of my twists down and just rinse all of my hair thoroughly once again. So make sure you just rinse this mask out with very, very cold water, and you wouldn't have no problem if you rinse it out with cold water and don't sleep with the mask in there. So now you guys are just seeing me take out each twist, and I'm going to be at the sink with my head upside down for about like 15 minutes, just thoroughly rinsing my hair out. And after I rinse my hair out, you guys, I did follow up with another apple cider vinegar rinse. I did not use shampoo, and then I just put my hair back in huge chunky twist, and I had my hair up for another 2 weeks. So you guys, this has been my hairstyle. This is what I've been trying to do to help my postpartum shedding. As you guys can see, I've been like really focusing on my scalp, massaging my hair, really just trying to make sure that my hair is super drenched. If you have low porosity hair and if you have a baby, because I know before I had a kid, people was asking me about postpartum shedding and how do I do my hair with a kid, and I didn't have a kid then, but now that I do, you guys, it's been so easy to wash my hair in the sink. But my hair hates being washed in the sink because it gets super tangled, but it's just easy and convenient when I need to grab him to feed him It's just really convenient. And what have I been doing to help my postpartum shedding? I literally just been leaving my hair in huge twists and putting castor oil on my edges and massaging my edges for like 2-3 minutes, and I do that every other day, every 2 days. And then I've been spraying my hair with water, with them being in the big twist. So that's how I've been trying to cure and help my postpartum shedding, by pretty much still leaving my hair alone and not really bothering my hair like I've been doing, you know. So this is the end result. Okay, you guys, so once again, I am going through postpartum shedding, so I just literally put my hair in big ugly twist. Yet again, my hair was up for another 2 weeks. This is a completely different wash, a completely different, you know, style. And I put my hair in big ugly twists. These are another set of twists. So as I'm doing my wash days, my twists are getting smaller because I'm leaving them in the jumbo twist, washing my hair out, and then putting them in smaller twists so that they can look a little bit more presentable. But you guys, my hair was so soft. I really love my my mustard, egg, and mayo hair mask. If I don't have like a banana or avocado, like, it's more convenient. And I think everybody pretty much have mustard and eggs and mayo in their refrigerator. My hair was super soft and hydrated, and I do this if my hair is feeling dry or if it needs like extra little boost and love. And mustard, I know that is like edible mustard, but mustard seed actually promotes hair growth and stuff. So you guys, this is the end of the video. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys my big twist, but they were literally just big raggedy looking twists. And I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I really love this mask. And if you want to give it a try, it's super simple and easy. Just remember to use cold water and to only leave that mask on your hair for about like 15 to 20 minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.